Meet Magic Grid Writeback, a real-time data solution for Power BI. Start by selecting Add New Record and fill in details like organization name, commission to the intermediate agent, contract value, and more. Once done, click Add to confirm. You'll receive a pop-up notification and an email for approval where you can accept or reject the entry seamlessly. In the Admin section, you can set reminders for pending approvals and manage notifications efficiently. Deleting unnecessary records is also just a click away, giving you full control over your data. Edit and manage your data directly in Power BI. All changes are synced instantly with your database, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Managing bulk operations is simpler than ever. Bulk add. Easily send mail and upload files in bulk. Simply select your file and it will be uploaded automatically. Bulk update. Updating multiple records is quick and efficient. Just upload the file and within minutes all data is successfully updated, saving you time and effort. Bulk delete. Removing unnecessary data is just as simple. Upload the file and within minutes the specified records are deleted, ensuring your database stays clean and organized. Additionally, control updates with approval workflows to ensure only verified changes go live. Collaborate seamlessly through Teams or email. Keep track of every action with a detailed log history. Plus, for the export data in Export Excel, Export CSV, Export PDF, we just have to click Download to download file. Streamline your workflow with Magic Grid Writeback. Update, collaborate, and manage your data effortlessly. Visit us and get started with Magic Grid Writeback and transform the way you work in Power BI.